we are going to make tea to fight cold. This is a special tea with a lot of spices in it and some honey. This is something which my friend got for me when I was sick with cold, and this really helped me. So I wanted to share it with all of you. For this recipe, we need 10 to 15 black pepper, and then a teaspoon of carom seeds, a small stick of cinnamon, 1 thumb of ginger, 5 to 6 cloves, and a teaspoon of fennel seeds. We will crush all of this together and then boil it in water. Let's get started. Using my mortar, I will crush all the spices together. Now everything is crushed. We have placed 3 cups of water for boiling. Water has started to warm up a little bit. Now we'll add our spice mix. So now it has been boiling for about 5 minutes, and you can see the color of the decoction is also changed. It's more brown. This is a good time to remove it from heat, or if you want to make it more stronger, you can boil it for 3 to 5 more minutes. But for me, this much strong is good enough. So let's turn off the heat.